A typical Dutch intersection, where this 50 km/h distributor road with protected cycleways can be accessed from a 30 km/h neighborhood access street. Traffic on the main road has priority. Traffic from the minor road must give way to all other traffic. This is clear from the difference in road surface, the fact that the intersection is raised, and the yield signs. Combined with these so-called shark's teeth on the surface. The surface of the cycleway continues over the crossing, a further indication that drivers must yield to people cycling. After a driver has dealt with cycling, they can safely interact with other drivers on the intersection itself, without being in the way. Drivers keep the cycleway free, always. So people have room to cycle past a waiting car. The waiting space for motor traffic is big enough for a standard car, but also for a small van or a bigger one. Turning traffic must yield to traffic going straight on. This includes people cycling and walking. Because of the design of the intersection, drivers can see other road users well. They have space to wait, and thanks to the low speeds, drivers are also willing to stop for other people. When they are in a van, and even when they drive a truck. Naturally, left-turning traffic must also yield to people cycling and walking. How easy is this intersection for pedestrians? People can and do cross the side street with confidence. Thanks to the split roadway, crossing the main road is also very convenient. First you deal with crossing the cycleway. Then there is an island, after which you cross one lane of traffic. The central refuge island gives you time to focus on traffic coming from the other direction, and finally you cross the cycleway on the other side of the road. Tactile paving guides people with impaired visibility. The crossing is completely level to make it easy for people in wheelchairs or people with strollers. Having to deal with traffic coming from one direction in only one lane at a time makes the crossing very simple. This type of intersection is safe for children, people in mobility scooters, and people on special bicycles. Thanks to the absence of traffic signals, people have to interact with one another. And since everything is so clear, they can do that in a relaxed way.